Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to install bitchat on Android. So if you want to install the bitchat application, it is actually very simple. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in bitchat, search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for bitchat and tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the information regarding bitchat. So what you have to do is tap on this option install that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and it will be installed. While you wait, you can simply scroll down and know more about this application. You can see over here, bitchat is a decentralized peer-to-peer messaging application that work entirely over Bluetooth mesh networks. You can also find more information about this application like version, updated on, downloads, etc. Over here, you'll also be able to see the review. You'll be able to see the ratings over here. Now after you wait for a while, what you have to do is scroll up. Now you can see over here bitchat application has been installed. Now you can simply tap on the open option in order to start using it. So that is how you install bitchat on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.